Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today it is my dog's birthday, so we're gonna be making him a cake. Okay, first step is to make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds. Then we're gonna be gathering our ingredients. Let's see. Today we have 2 eggs, peanut butter, oil, milk, honey, carrots, shredded flour, and baking soda. Make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease your pan and let's get started. Alright, we have 2 eggs going into the bowl. It's half a cup of peanut butter. That's a lot of peanut butter. Make sure you get all that into the bowl. Okay. Then we have 1/4 cup of oil. Good. Now, next we have honey. We have 1/3 cup of honey. I don't know why I didn't just took out the thing. Next we have milk. We have 2/3. I only have 1/3, so I'm gonna do it twice. Now we mix, okay? Then we add the shredded carrots, which is 2 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. And peanut butter for Damon. Next we mix. Mix. Now we add the flour. Okay, so now that's 2 cups of flour. Okay, and then baking soda. That's 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then we mix until everything is fully combined. Then we put it in our greased pan. Flatten out as much as possible. Time for the oven. Next, we put it for 25 minutes. Okay, and then we're gonna do our frosting. So for the frosting, we're gonna need 1 cup of cream cheese. And then we are going to need 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Then we're gonna need honey and add just a little bit, okay? Not too much. Stop right there. Good. Mix until everything is well combined.
Happy birthday!
Then you get yourself a dog and you feed him cake. And Damon loved his birthday party. He loved his cake and everything. It was just amazing. He turned 4 today. Look at his cute bow tie. So now it's your turn, okay? Let's do some math problems. Hello, and today we're going to be learning about adding and subtracting fractions. This is a 4th grade TEK 4.3e. So, how to add fractions. Okay, let's say I have a fraction that is 1/3. Okay, and I'm gonna add another fraction that has the equivalent denominator. Okay, I'm gonna add another 1/3. To do this, I add my numerators. 1 plus 1, okay, that means 2. Okay, and I would not, okay, not 3 plus 3 equals 6. My denominator stays the same, okay? It stays the same. Very important, okay? Now, let's do another one. If I say 1/4 plus 1/4, okay, my numerator is 1 plus 1, which equals 2, okay? And my denominator is 4 plus 4? No. My denominator stays the same. Now, I'm going to tell you something bigger, okay? simplify. Simplify means to make it to its smallest fraction, okay? Now, I know 2 and 4 can both be divided by 2. Okay, if I want to make this fraction smaller, I know that if I divide 2 divided by 2, my numerator will be 1. If I divide 4 divided by 2, my denominator would be 2. Okay? This is 2/4, and it's the same thing by saying 1/2. Okay? Now, can I divide this by anything? The answer is no, because this is an even number, this is an odd number, and they both can't be divided by anything. I can't divide this by 2 or 3. It has to be the same number. Okay? So this is already its smallest unit. This is now the smallest unit. Okay? So, now you know how to add and subtract fractions. Well, you know how to add fractions, okay? Subtracting fractions, same thing. You subtract this numerator and you keep the denominator the same. Okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to see how much peanut butter I used for the cake. Okay? And let's say I needed to make 2 cakes, okay? 2 cakes. Okay? So how much peanut butter would I need to make 2 cakes? Okay? Look back at the recipe and how much peanut butter would I need just for the cake, not for the frosting, just for the cake, okay? How much peanut butter did I need for the cake? And if I need to add another one because I'm making 2 now, how much would that be? Okay? How much would that be? Do I need to simplify? Okay. Oops. Do I need to simplify? Maybe, maybe not. I want you to figure that out, okay?